Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing your footage into After Effects and immediately setting project color space and frame rate to match your camera. Once done, create a composition sized for equirectangular output, typically a 2:1 ratio such as 4096 by 2048, and set pixel aspect to 1:0. Now enable the VR Comp Editor and drop your clip in. This gets you into a 360-aware workspace, so you can start framing and correcting without losing projection integrity. Next, you handle stitching or reprojecting and the detailed fixes that make the shot believable. If you have multi-camera rigs, stitch externally or use alignment scripts, then import the stitched equirectangular. Use VR Converter or VR Plane tools to reproject and add an AE camera when you want animated pans, keyframes slowly to avoid viewer discomfort. Apply color grading, exposure correction, and seam blending. Use denoise and gentle sharpening. Make sure transitions between stitched edges are feathered and test playback in a 360 viewer as you refine. To finish, cue the composition in Adobe Media Encoder and choose a codec that preserves quality, like ProRes or H.264 for delivery. Once done, make sure you include spherical metadata by using After Effects Create VR Properties or a metadata injector so platforms recognize the file as 360. Finally, export and review in a VR player. If you see seams or black edges, reproject the source. Feather edges or apply a slight edge blur. Also verify the composition remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.